Do you want to install Linux and run a Minecraft server on your Quest 2? Well then, this is the video for you.
Okay, so starting off, you're going to want to go to the description and go to the Sidequest link, and then scroll down and install it for your operating system. Once you're at Sidequest, go to the setup instructions on the top left. I'll play the videos that are provided for the setup. Now you can see that my Quest is plugged in. Now go to the GitHub link in the description and download the Termux APK, and make sure it's the ARM64 APK. Once it's downloaded, open Sidequest and follow along with what I do. When Termux is done sideloading, go to your headset settings in Sidequest and copy these settings! After that, go into your Quest files and navigate to downloads, but mine didn't appear for some reason. Once I rebooted my Quest, Termux APK was in there. Follow the steps in the photos. But since I didn't reboot, I just force launched the Termux app by going to the Sidequest app manager, click the cogwheel, and then launch. After that, you might want to plug in a keyboard and type the commands on the screen. Just follow along. Once you're done installing those, run whoami and ifconfig, as we will need those later. This is how you're going to access your Quest from your computer in your terminal. Then write passwd and set a password for your Quest. After that, run sshd and go to your computer. Open your terminal and write ssh-p8022, then your username at local IP, and enter the password that you made earlier. Install FastFetch for true LARPing capabilities! Yay! You can now see that we're on the Quest 2. I chose to install Arch, which needs this specific ARM version for the Quest 2. When you try updating, it'll give a sandbox error. Follow along with what I do. Now we need to install Java. Go to the Fabric link in the description and copy the CLI download link. Once you've done that, follow along to make the folder for our Minecraft server, then paste that link in the directory we've just made. There should now be a Fabric server MC jar file. Copy the launch command from the Fabric website and paste it in the terminal. On the first launch, you'll need to accept the EULA agreement. Then edit the server properties. Copy my settings if you want. Rerun the server, then in another terminal connected to the Quest, run ifconfig to get the local IP which you will connect to. But there's one problem with this. You can't play with your friends! Well, no worries. We'll just install NGROK. Yay! Go to the NGROK link in the description and make an account. Then follow along with the video. Open another terminal and go to where we made the MC server and rerun the Java command from earlier. Once you've done all of that, you should be good to go. Just copy the forwarding link without the part at the beginning. This is the link you share with your friends! Okay, that's the end. Bye!